how to get domain email address for totally free. Okay, so all that you have to do is that you have to come to this Cloudflare and then create an account for totally free. Okay, so after creating an account, all that you have to do is simply come and then add your domain to it, just like this one. So this is an account that I've been able to create, and then the status is active, as you can see, and the plan is totally free without paying any money. Okay, so when you come here, you can see that the plan status is active, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can create this domain email address for totally free. So let me open my domain for you to see. So after opening the domain, all that you have to do is simply come to the overview, and then from the overview simply come to the email. Okay, and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, from the configuration summary, you can see that I have two custom address. Okay, I have been able to create two custom email addresses, and I'm going to show you how to also do the exact same thing. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the email routing. Okay, so when you come to the email routing, what you have to do is just come to the routing rules and then come and then select that one. So when you select it, what you have to do is to make sure that the catch all addresses, we are going to make sure to make it active. Okay, so the status, just simply come here to the status and then come and check it for it to be active. Okay, so after that, all that you have to do is simply create your email address. Okay, by simply coming here, as you can see, the custom address, I have been able to create some, and I'm going to show you how to also do the exact same thing. Okay, so when you come here, you can see the action. I have been able to select the Gmail address that I want the message to be sent to directly. So to create the account, just come here to where it says create address and then come and click on it, and then simply come here to the custom address and then come and put in your preferred preference. Okay, it can be anything at all. You can put in your first name, your nickname, anything at all. You can put in work to make it professional. You can even put in info. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to put in info just like this one, and it is going to be added to your domain. Okay, just like this one. Okay, it's going to be added to the domain, and then simply come here to where we have the action, and then come and select it, and then come and select send to an email. Okay, because we are going to use the preferred Gmail address, so that is going to be sent there for us. Okay, so after that, simply come here to where we have the destination, and then come and click on it, and then come and put in the Gmail account that you want your messages to be sent to. That is why we call it destination. Okay, so simply come and put it right here. So after putting it right here, what you have to do is simply come down here to where we have the save, and then come and click on the save. Okay, so when you click on the save, it is going to be saved, and then as you can see from here, the custom addresses, we have been able to create our info at our domain, and then it is active. Okay, so when you come here to the destination, you can see that we have our preferred Gmail address right here, which we have been able to create it. I have a full tutorial video in the video description, and I want you to click on it and then watch that video. It is going to show you step by step how to create an account on Cloudflare, as well as how to get a free custom domain to create your email address. Okay, so like it and then see you in my next video.